Back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to do a new experiment with lemon and baking soda. I have taken food coloring for the coloring effect. So let's go into the video. I have taken half of the lime. Now we should put some coloring powder on top and then put the baking soda, then you will see the experiment. Let's put the color powder. Just evenly rub the color powder over the lemon. Now let's pour baking soda and then you see the effect. You can see it's getting into a foam. See the foam coming out. So this is the experiment. Hope you all like watching this video. Please like, share, comment in the comment box after trying this experiment. So thank you for watching the video. Bye.